Om Harihi Om Harihi Om Harihi Om. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namo Namah. Shri Saraswati Mata Bhyo Namo Namah. Shri Guru Charakave Bhyo Namo Namah. Om Pujaya Gravindaya Satya Dharma Vitaya Bhajatam Kalpavrikshaya Namatam Kamadhenave Kalyana Padagatraya Kamitatra Padaini Srimad Ventara Srinivasaya Te Namo Namah. Om Gangeya Chamana Jaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmere Sindhu Kavali Jale Asmin Jarikuru Om Gajananam Bhutaganadi Sevitam Kapisha Jamopal Chara Bhakshanam Umashutam Shoka Vinashakarakam Namami Vigneshwara Parapangajam Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samarprabha Nirvignam Krume Sarvakarishu Sarvara Shuklambaram Devam Shashi Varnam Chaturam Prasanya Sarva Vishnu Lakshmi Narayan Parameshwarai Bhyo Namo Namah Om Gam Ganapati Namaha Om Gam Ganapati Namaha Om Gam Ganapate Namo Namah Ekaranta Vrimi Bhakata Tanno Dandi Prachoryat Ekaranta Vrimi Bhakata Tanno Dandi Prachoryat Ekaranta Vrimi Bhakata Tanno Dandi Prachoryat Om Prativi Tvaya Drita Loka Devi Tvam Tvam Pavitram Puruchasanam Om Namo Paraprativi Mata Bhyo Namo Namah Namaste Sitaram Assalamu Alaikum. Good morning, good evening, my dear friends. If you've seen this or you will see this sometime, my name is Mahanji Dr. Balan Jedi, founder, president, and spiritual leader of the Hanuman Mission. To my left is Mr. Jairaj Ramsewak, the gentleman who donated the 4 lots of land. We are here in Providence, Tobago, casually as you can see, because we're in the middle of nowhere. This year for Hanuman Jayanti 2016, we start on this very spot where many of you would have seen a video, and we perform Hanumanji Puja. Somewhere behind us, way up in the mountain, we'll show you the flag later on. The Jandis are still standing. The Hanuman Mission name is still standing. The lady on the right is Indira Ramdin. She's the one who brokered the deal for us to get 2 Latalan, and when we finish by Hanuman Jayanti, we get another 2. We have 4 Latalan. To the extreme right is Pandit Rajneesh, who was here with us all the time. And the lady to the far left is the one who became the important pillar after all the facts. Secretary of Hanuman Mission, Indira Emmanuel. Indira and Indra, we mixing them up. But Indra Emmanuel, Mrs. Indra Emmanuel, she's the one who went through all the legal process, all the stamp duty and everything. She saved all the money so far for Hanuman Mission we didn't have to pay. Today, officially, Mr. Jairam Sewak is handing over and walking away. Final Balidan offering here today with his coconut on this part of land, where from today is no longer Uncle Jai land, it's Hanuman Mission land for our purpose, and he will always be a part of this organization, part of this initiative, part of this. But legally, this is where it ends from him and where we take over today. As we mentioned on TV and Radio Jagrati, we have the deed. The deed was stamp duty Tobago this week, courtesy of and the kind generosity of Indra. So we're going to do a Hanuman Dhyanam meditation. We ask all of you who are going to see this to pray that someday, behind us on top of that mountain, according to Indra's specs, from where we stand, the bottom of the hill to up there is about 165 feet high. And if I don't make it to the end, I'm asking whoever's going to see it and watch it, make sure that the legacy of the Hanuman Mission and make sure that the Octagon Orange Temple is erected on top of that mountain. Also make sure the 11 steps of total of 121 steps on the bottom. So you think that is decreed by Hanumanji. From the time you come out of the car, by the time you walk up there, you must recite 121 names. Each 11 steps will have a circle, they'll have a bench to meditate, and you continue on every 11 steps, and we'll have 121 names in Hindi and English with the meaning. You chant and meditate as you reach up. Someday, people are going to build around here. Uncle Jai is going to sell the other 5 acres of land. If you're interested in buying land around this area, contact any one of us here. Hanuman Mission page on Facebook, Indra Emmanuel, or Indira Ramdin, Rajneesh Tulsi Rampasad, or Mahanji Dr. Balim Chedi. We'll put you on to Uncle Jai. You'll get the deal. We want to develop this land. He needs some extra cash to start doing so. So we're making a public announcement today. The land is for sale for any type of business around here. And we even have legal approval process in place, and we have people who can put you on for consulting services to get all your approvals. That's all I'm going to say today. But pray to Hanumanji that this initiative we are embarking in Providence, Tobago, breaking ground. We're breaking history, and we broke history this week. Finally, we're asking Hanumanji to give us the free and clear passage to ensure That happens. Providence, Tobago. Today is December the 3rd, 2016. The time now in Trinidad and Tobago is 1:35 p.m. Om Pranavaho Pavana Kumar Kalavana Pavata Gyanaran Jasu Haradayaga Basahiram Sarachap Dari Atulatabul Ramam Hema Shaila Badeham Danujavara Krishanam Gyaninam Graganyam Sakala Gunanidhanam Vanara Nicham Ragvadya Bhakta Jatam Namami Ghosh Parikita Varasham Machaki Kitaraksham Ramayana Maharatnam Bandanilatmajam Anjananananda Viram Janaki Shokarasharam Kapishamakshvantaram Bandyalanka Bhayankaram Ulangya Sendo Salilam Salilam Yashoka Vehim Janakat Vijaya Arate Vahalankam Namamitam Pranjalalanjalayam Manojo Maratulevegam Stam Varishtam Bhatarvajam Bharajam Mukyam Sri Ramadutam Shanam Prabhatye Anjanematipatalananandam Kajanadrikam Navegraham Parijatulavasharam Bhavayami Pauna Yatrayeta Gurat Kirtram Tata Tata Kitamastakanjalam भाष पवारी परिपूर्ण आलोचनम मारुतिम नमतराक्षम प्रेम से बोले वीर विचित्र बजरंग बली महावीर स्वामी की जय. Before we sing Hanuman Chalisa, one more today. Uncle Jai, this is yours. Say Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om Tat Sat.
Right. So you're free and square. You can walk away from this four letter land, right?
Yes.
No, don't walk away. But my dear friends, this is now Balidan for Hanuman Mission. And I would like Uncle Jai to say something there for the world to hear before we do Hanuman Chalisa.
Brothers and sisters, first of all, Sitaram. To all you people who are listening on this tape, I want to say from the depths of my heart, I'd make this gift possible to the Hanuman Mission led by Dr. Baliram Chedi. First of all, I want to say the greatest gift a man could get on this earth is the gift to give. And I have given this to the mission to construct a Hanuman temple at the hilltop on this hills of Providence. With these few words, I want to say thank you very much and God bless all of you. May Hanuman Mahabir Swami bless the entire mission.
So we have this shy lady here in it's on video. Tell the world why, or anything you want to say about why you believe you had to help Hanuman Mission and we get Folatala.
I guess I was instructed to, and that's all I could say because it was never my intention. I just came, and I asked Uncle Jai one day that, I have this friend who's a pandit and they are looking to construct something, a temple I should say. And I asked him if he would like to donate, and he said yes. And well, here it is.
Right behind. 2 became 4.
Oh, there.
So maybe
yes.
before you can done, 4 might become 8. We don't know. So thank you very much on behalf of Merle, RT, Avish, Hanuman Mission, and everybody else. So on the left now we have Miss Indra Emmanuel. Indra, before my hand burn, you watch that camera and say what you have to say to the world for everything that you do, what you envision, and what the Hanuman Mission means to you.
Well,
Speak up.
I don't really have much to say, but I know my love for Hanumanji has brought me here, and I intend to be here for as long as he wants me to be, and to work with the Hanuman Mission to ensure that the temple is built up there for all the world to see. And that is my sort of promise.
And she crying, she can't talk, but she could always complain to me. So thank you very much. My dear friends, this is power. After today, all the obstacles have to burn out. All the obstacles have to burn away. The coconut refused to crack, the stone cracked instead. So which means I had to hold his fire while we talk it. We have Baba Rajesh here. Babaji.
Namaste or Sitaram. Dear devotees, Jahajis who came from India did not come out of a shell or a vacuum, but they came from a most ancient and highly modernized society. And what they brought to Trinidad and Tobago was their Sanatan Dharma, their way of life. And more importantly, more specifically, they brought with them the teachings and the blessings of Pawan Putra Hanuman. And today we are a million times blessed to be here and to be part of this effort, this initiative to ensure that Hanuman Baba takes a rightful seat upon the hills of Providence Mountain. Satya Sanatan Dharma ki jai, Hanuman Baba ki jai.
Jai. So we have Priya and Anjali. Focus the camera on those two girls. Those are two Shishyas, two godchildren. I'll say something on the camera quick. Say Sitaram sir.
Sitaram.
Well, that's it. So two godchildren and the next one in Tobago happening in 2 hours. So it looked like the mountain is the coconuts and the temple is the canfa. So I think that's the reason that it's shaping. If you watch that, the shape of what's supposed to happen, happen. My dear friends, there's lots of mosquito and fly hunting. This is as real as it gets in the middle of nowhere. This is real. That's why the coconut didn't break. It will burn to ashes. So this is what. All you seen that? My dear friends, if you could see this, I will show it to you one more time. Watch the Hanuman mission on top of there. And the flame will burn forever. So around the world, the power and divinity of Hanuman mission shall stand. And the power and divinity of that man, they will remain up there in the octagon. Uncle Jai, you see the dome? All right. So this is it. So my dear friends, if you're looking at this, before I get burned, join us for one Hanuman Chalisa today. Sri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nijamana Mukura Sudhar Varano Raghubar Vimalayasha Jodayaka Palachar Bodhina Tanujanike Sumiro Pavan Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kalesha Vikar Siya Pati Ramachandra Ji ki Jaya Sharanam Prabhu Natu Mama Sankata Haro Hari Jai Hanuman Jnana Guna Sagar Jai Kapishati Huloka Ujagar Ramadutta Atulita Baladama Anjani Potra Pavana Sutanama Mahavira Vikram Bajrangi Kumat Nivar Sumat Ke Sangi Kanchana Varana Viraj Suvesha Kanan Kundala Kunchita Kesha Hatavad Dhwaja Viraje Kandhe Moj Jane Usaj Shankar Suvar Keshari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagabandan Vidyavan Guniyati Chatur Ram Kaj Karibe Ko Atur Prabhu Charitra Sune Ko Rasiya Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya Suksham Rupa Darasiya Hidekawa Vikate Rupa Dari Lanka Jarawa Bhima Rupa Dhari Asura Sanhare Ramachandra ke Kaj Savare Rai Sajivan Lakhan Jiyaye Shri Raghuveera Har Shaur Lai Raghupati Kini Bahut Badai Tuma Mama Priya Bharat Sambhai Sahasa Vadana Tumharo Jas Gaave As Kai Shripati Kanta Lagaye Sanakadik Brahmadi Munisha Narad Sarad Sahita Ahisa Yam Kubed Digpal Jaha ke Kabhi ko vidhi kahi sake kaha hai Tumha upkar sughi vahi kina Ram milaye raj par dina Tumharo mantra vibhishan mana Lankeshwar bhai sab jag jana Yuga Sahasra Yojana Parabhanu Leela Otahi Madhura Palajanu Prabhu Modrika Mili Mukamahi
Jaladi Rang Gai
Achara Janahi Duragama Kaja Jagat Ke Chete Sugamaya Nograha Tumhare Tete Ram Duare Tumhara Kaware
Potan Agya Binu Paisare
सब सुकल है तुम्हारी शरणा तुम्हारा रक्षक का हो को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाथ के कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं